I got a Loot Crate again. A nice squid hat. Gotta open it up. What? Oh my god. What? Well, I got a Spock air freshener from Star Trek. And, oh yeah, the yes! Okay, the theme for this month is Heroes 2. So, it's gonna be a lot of hero stuff. The biggest thing in the box right now. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome! Okay, so I got this Batman character guy, which is super cool. I'm gonna open it. If I can.
It's a Loot Crate one.
Is this the Loot Crate? Yeah, this is Loot Crate exclusive, it says on the side. Exclusive. Gosh dang, I want to open it without ruining the box. Okay, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. It's a bunch of tape and stuff. Aha. We got the Batman from that old, like, Batman show in the 60s or whatever it was. And we got a Kapow sign. Maybe. Come on, dang it. I just want my Kapow sign. It's all I've ever wanted. Okay, I gotta keep cutting crap. Like a cutter. Not really. A cutter of boxes. Gotta keep cutting tape open. Kapow! Is this? Oh, here it goes. Kapow! Kapow! Okay. And for some reason, I have a permanent marker or something. A dry erase marker. That came with it, which is really odd. And, oh, there's something else. Never mind, it's just the cardboard. It's just cardboard in the back of the box. Next thing, maybe my favorite thing of all time in the Loot Crate. Legend of Zelda wrist sweatband, which is kind of odd, but it's kind of awesome at the same time. I'm going to be wearing this all the time when I play, so I don't sweat. That's it. Then I got a battering multi-tool, screwdrivers, bottle opener, keychain, stuff, 2 different screwdrivers on it. What's this? Oh, yeah, here's the monthly button. Oh no! It's messed up. Stupid. It has Batman on it. And then got The League of Regrettable Superheroes, the Loot Crate edition by John Morris. Who knows if I'll ever read this, but it's cool anyway. We got a few more things in here, and a poster that I did. Brawlhalla. What's this? Brawlhalla? White thing, is that a game? Oh! Ooh, it's for Steam. And I get some stuff on Steam, if I had Steam. Then here's the monthly Loot Crate magazine, which I was hoping there'd be more Legend of Zelda stuff. But it's okay. And the last thing is a poster of Small. Oh my gosh. It's Wonder Woman. She can do it. Do anything. And then this is the inside of the box. Like street, like people's houses and stuff, seeing Batman crime up it. Parkour style. So yeah, wait, there's no shirt this month. Oh well. But that's still really
It's a
cool.
wearable.
And oh, I guess it's something wearable every month, so I guess maybe that's the wristband. Either way, it's super awesome, and it's Loot Crate, and it's Legend of Zelda, and there's a baby right here making a bunch of noise, being annoying. And I want to open this first. I want to open up my Batarang so I can beat up people. Shut up! Just kidding. Where's the stinking... Come on, open up. I want my Batarang. I can totally hurt people with this, if there's ever a need for it. And there's a flathead screwdriver, and a crosshead screwdriver, and a bottle opener, and it's on a keychain. And it's totally throwable, I bet. If I wanted to. So yeah, this is July of 2015 Loot Crate. And I wish there was a shirt, but it's still really cool. Especially this Legend of Zelda bracelet. And I have a squid hat. Mmm.